It's a great, big, beautiful day, but it's a hot one. Because of that, today we're at Adventure Island once again. Here with the kiddos, gonna enjoy some Adventure Island fun at Ventura Isla. Actually, we're also here for the Island Nights, which starts at 5 p.m. Currently it's about almost 2:30, so yeah, we're here a little bit early. But because it is about 2:30, parking was a pain, so make sure you get here early. And also finding a seat was a pain. So thankfully we got placed in shade, and it looks like we might end up having to get to a locker to store our stuff, just because there's just a lot of people here today. But we're gonna give everything a look, probably good on the, probably check out the lazy river as well as the wave pool and a few other things, but we're gonna take you along for the ride. So last time we were here, they didn't actually have this water running over here in the area close to the lockers, and the changing rooms where we were earlier. It's a really nice waiting area. Now you actually have to cross the bridge to get over to the other side, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna walk right through because we can. Get our feet in because it is nice and hot today, and that water feels so good. We're gonna head over to our seats. The kids are already in that little splash area that they like to go into, that cliff dive and that kind of rope climb thing to go across the water. We're gonna meet up with them, and then we're gonna head to something else. It's about 90 degrees out today. Definitely a good day. Looking forward to seeing what this other activity is starting at 5. But yeah, having a fun day at Adventure Island in Tampa. So our seating place this time is over right next to the wave pool area. We're in the endless surf area. Apparently they have cabanas up here as well. But we were able to find, luckily, a few seats under the shade because some people decided to leave. So we're gonna head over to our seats now. One thing to remember when you're here in Florida, stay hydrated. Put some sunscreen on because you will burn and you might get dehydrated because that stuff happens. We are headed to the wave pool. So it looks like every 10 minutes out those waves get started, we're gonna head over in and wait for some waves. All right, guys? Yeah, let's see how this water is. Oh yeah, it's nice and warm. See, today's a Friday, so pretty busy as a Friday. I mean, yeah, schools are out for the most part. I wonder how Saturdays are. Pretty busy, I would assume. Okay, we're down to a minute. You guys ready? 15 seconds, here we go. Cool down. Oh! Did it get bigger? Yeah, that's it. That was the last one. Alright, that was pretty awesome. What did you guys think? Alright, I think we're going to head off to do a little bit something else. See what we're gonna find. So this is the event we're here for today. Island Nights brought to you by Coke, fresh by Coca-Cola, 5 to 8 p.m. this evening on Friday nights through the month of June. Our big Adventure Island sign we stopped by before. I think the beauty thing is about today is that the chance of rain is like slim to none, although it is Florida, but I'm pretty sure that looking at the sky behind me, I think we should be good to go. We're gonna head over to the other side of the park, find out what we can ride over there, maybe hop in the lazy river, and yeah, take you along with us. All right, so we made it to Rambling Bayou, the lazy river.
Here we have Lorelai struggling to stay in her float. No!
So that was about 10 minutes to go the whole circuit there at the Rambling Bayou, Lazy River. I think we're gonna head up another ride. Okay, the kids have decided to go on Riptide. It's a mat slide that they have here at Adventure Island. Unfortunately, I can't bring the camera on, so they're gonna go on their own, and we'll see if we can get them coming down. Back in the day, they used to have picnic tables in this area. Unfortunately, here at Adventure Island, you can no longer bring in your own food and drink. Very sad, but I understand. It makes sense. I mean, I get it. So they do have some locker rentals here for Splash Attack, which is the kids area right over here. And this part of the cement is really hot, so I'm moving really fast. There she goes. There's Lorelai. He went on Vantage Point. How was it?
It was awesome.
All right.
I think Aquatica's better.
What was that?
I think Aquatica's better.
Okay, well,
It's got a bigger drop.
all right. You heard it from Lorelai. You heard it from Lorelai. Apparently Aquatica is better. Hopefully we'll get to visit that sometime this summer. Give you guys a look. But in the meantime, I think it's gonna be time for some Splash Attack. I might just let one of these kids put on the GoPro and have some fun. So if you got kids, Splash Attack's the place to be here at Adventure Island in Tampa. Our next destination is going to be Rapids Racer. It's a dueling double raft slide. Take a look at that. These kids are going to go on it because I'm not going to. But yeah, you're going to get a first-person view of Rapids Racer. I hope you guys enjoy. You guys ready for it? Woo! All right.
She's loud.
Let's do this.
Which one's the more fun?
They're both the same, they're just different colors.
Green or yellow? Okay, this one's yellow.
And you guys are making each other? Yeah, right.
They're probably gonna win since they're heavier than us. Do you not see a competition? And by the way, no. I said since they're heavier.
There you guys again.
Here we go. Let's rapid race.
so we made it to dinner. We're at Colossal Snacks. They're known for pizza and ice cold drinks. And the kiddos got themselves a cheese pizza. How was that cheese pizza, guys?
Yep.
Very good? All right, for theme park cheese pizza, how's it rate on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'm gonna say solid 8.
Solid 8. All right, Anthony says 8. How about Lorelai?
I'm gonna say 8.5.
An 8.5. There we go. Awesome. The kiddos are gonna go on Colossal Curl. Unfortunately, it's only a 2-person or 4-person ride, so there's only 3 of us. So I'm gonna opt out, let the kids get on it, but they're gonna get you a first-person point of view on it. I think they're gonna have a lot of fun, and we'll meet you at the bottom.
Are you ready for this? I'm scared. Oh, we have that. Oh, look, you get wet right as you go. I don't know. I can already tell it's gonna be fun. Oh, here comes our raft. Here we go. Here we go. Woo, 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 woo. Huh? Don't let us go too early, please. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Oh gracious. I'm scared. This looks fun. All right, here we go. Colossal Curl, here we come. Oh my goodness! What was that? Well, hopefully there's no more surprises. Anthony, stop! Take that guy!
All right, you guys just got off Colossal Curl. How was it?
That was amazing.
It was fun? Yes? Thank you guys for joining us on our journey at Adventure Island today. It looks like that our day is over, but yeah, we hope you had fun exploring the attractions with us here in Tampa. But in the meantime, to get more of those great updates and things that we're going to be doing around Central Florida, be sure to subscribe to the channel, clicking on that button on the bottom right-hand corner, or just go into our main channel and subscribe there for us. And as always, it has been a great, big, beautiful day. I hope you had one too, and we'll see you in the next video.